Have you ever had the delightful experience of lying on your back on a lazy summer afternoon, just looking up into the deep blue sky and watching fluffy white clouds change from one shape to another? If you are interested in drawing, it is easy to collect cloud samples on paper. Okay, I can't be all about animating and sitting in front of the computer. I've got garden things to do. I've got a lot of garden things to do, and it feels like they all need to be done right now. But I made a list of 10 things to just knock off, and I went out there this morning and I got them all done, and I'm going to share them with you. All right, I can feel that the garden is trying to take all of my energy, and I don't want that to happen because I don't want to forget about the whole purpose of all this, which is making art and sharing art. And even though I am creating this garden to have some art and garden events in and invite some other people into the garden to make some art, and a lot of that has to be done now in order for it to be ready when the first event is scheduled, which is the second Saturday in May. So necessarily I have to stay focused on getting the garden together, but I am going to make a grand effort to balance my attention between the garden and the YouTube channel, computer work, and making art, because I don't want to forget about the most important part, which is making art and sharing art. So I'm going to stop all this stuff today, other than picking up a pencil and maybe a pen, and I'm going to cozy up on the couch and turn on some music and make a little art and then call it a day. Thanks for staying with me.